any counseling support, then institute will get the entire access of our training management platform. Now, which means they can conduct their classes, schedule their online, offline classes, as well as they can create their course modules into the system. These are all online or offline, so you can create both. So let's say I'll go to this Bringle Academy review, which has batches aligned. So I can create a new batch. I can say test batch, and I have an option of offline and online both. So if I say both, it will pick up the Zoom link which is available, and I want a 1 week session. Let's say I want a 3 week session, and I want it on, let's say, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 3 weeks. And I want to start it from today. This is the enrollment startup date. So before that, the enroll now button will not come in. And I want to say that, okay, I will end it up at January 30. And start date, when is my first session happening? Because it is the first session on Monday, so I'm starting my session on Monday. The start time is, let's say, 1:30 p.m. and duration is, let's say, 30 minutes. So once I say that and I create a batch, it creates the entire batch for week 1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, week 2 and week 3. If there is any conflict, it will tell you here what is the conflict, and accordingly you will have to change it. Once you put this and save batch, your batches are getting created out here. This is where we have created those 9 sessions, and when you go into view session, you will find all those sessions around. If you want to change some of the session at any point in time, you can also change it from here. Only mentors would have this access. Not everybody would have that access.
Okay.
So once you, whoever has got the students or the mentors, you can send them a mail to all the participants in a click of the button. So you can say, we are integrating SMS also, but right now it is only email. So you can send enroll mentors or students, and you can define the subject, and I'll say mentors, and you can format it out your mail, and you can send the message. We are also trying to add WhatsApp into this as well. This is an extend recording option. So I've extended this recording to till 31st of January. This is basically to control the misuse of it. So if you want to give access to somebody or not, that you can decide. So you can say, okay, this student can be having access only till 28th and update. Okay. So this person will have access only till 28th, and they can check it in their dashboard. And dashboard is here. So they go into their dashboard. This is my mentor mode because I'm a mentor, but if I'm not a mentor, I will not get this option. And I can go to my live classes because I'm a mentor here, so it is not showing up. But if I go here, mentor mode, go to live classes, and here all my classes are there, and then upcoming, past, all that has been done. So Bringle Academy review test is what we have done. Then these are the things which are happening. Anything on a past will show up the past as well. So then the second feature of this, so what happens, all these live classes, anything which you want, you can club it under the live programs as well. So let's say you have 5 batches running, and you want to club it into one program, you can club it into program also. So all those administrative hassles will be gone. While this. So this is the community which we have created here. So you can use it as a community also, or a course. Features are similar. Now here, if you see, this is the course section, which is basically a complete content curation platform. So you can upload your Google Forms here. You don't have to do it separately. If you click it here, the form will open up here itself. It's coming. Here itself, the form will come in. So basically it's a complete repository which you can create it out here in the course. It's a content curation platform, we call it as. So anything and everything can be put up here. So you get the database completely information out there. Then you have a just show other parts of the features also. So then this is your one-on-one mentor request. All the recorded demos of this platform has been added up here. So as soon as they register on this course community, they get access to all these recorded demos. That's all they, and a one-time training we provide. This is your how do you create one-on-one mentor request. Go to mentor, fill the details. This is the video is also available there. This is how you can create your profile in 3 steps. These are the 3 steps which you need to follow. So you can just going back to the course, you can add how to add a course, how to manage a program. So you can add multiple courses into one program. So if you see it here, what happens is when you go to the programs, in the skills meter program, which we are talking about, it's 5499. Okay, we have deactivated it. For 5499, these are the all courses which they are getting in, and individually their cost would be, let's say, different. So let's say this course is 2499. Multiple this course is 1499. Your your career planning for this and all that is this accordingly, and then but all of this put together you will get it in only in 5499. So you can have a different pricing at a club level as well. So you can create those kind of batches as well. Then there is a discussion forum out here, and this is another important feature wherein you can actually use it for your question and answer session. So anytime students can send a question for the mentor, and mentor can answer that at their own timings. They can vote for good posts, report abuse, follow, unfollow. Typically your social media or WhatsApp features are there. You can have your email digest also into this. So all that you can be doing. You can also send it as a different topic area, question, discussion. You can also send it, post anonymously, follow this post and keep sending it. So this is a very good discussion forum, private discussion forum with no number sharing, no email sharing, nothing, but just a community discussion. Then there is a Wikipedia out here where you can add any article which you want to give reference to the students, maybe external blog or something, you can put it here. Then there is a progress bar, how the students are doing it, what they are doing it, what their progress is, homework, whether they have done it or not, what state.
This is per student or overall?
Per student. So yeah, it will give you an overall student. This is for Bringle Academy as a student which I have added up, but then pass percentage, 100%, it will come for each student for the mentor. This is my student section right now, so I'm seeing it like this. But if I go to the instructor section, it will be for everybody. Then you can, see, this is how it will come in. Verified, audit, honor, professional, membership, what is there, how many people are there. I can take their, this is instructor dashboard. I can revoke the access of their cohorts in terms of then student admin, their gradebook, we can view it here. Progress page is viewable here. Then we can set up the attempts to 0, learner submission, rescoring, all that is possible there. Show task status. It's a complete platform. Then the data download, if you want to grading configuration, things like that. And finally the analytics. There's a basic analytics which is kind of be available here. So this section will be available to them. I mean, of course, these are all customizable, and accordingly we can do that for them. So this is the entire content management platform, live classroom and one-on-one mentoring platform which you are getting in this. So in this, one more option is there which I wanted to show you. Let's say there are times when you don't have you are running this thing for this backend is one thing. Okay, so when you are at a backend and you have created those live classes, if you remember, the one which we created, the test sessions, right? So if we go there, here, once you go to this test session batch, you have an option to display. So if you do not display, it will not even appear on my platform anywhere. So it is a backend thing which you have created. So if somebody is using this platform for only backend activities, especially like a school or a college or a university, they don't have to display it. But once they want a mentor, which you said, right, mentor can also use it to sell their courses. So mentor, if they want to put it on my platform, they will have to make it display.